Good evening, everybody. It is 4:48 p.m. this afternoon. It's Friday, and it is July 17th, 2026. We're going to go ahead and take a look at what's going on in and around Chester real quick. We do have a little bit of showers right here around Fredericktown, just south of Perryville. Other than that, guys, we do have a line that is around Mountain Grove, in Cherokee, and I'll go ahead and put this play. And I'm kind of hoping in and around Salem that this stuff kind of just die off when it gets to us this evening. But we'll go ahead and take a look overall at what's going on around the nation. And as you can see, we've got thunderstorms from Montana all the way down to Phoenix, going across Texas, and of course Indiana, all the way down to Florida. This is in the General Thunder watch area. Really quick, and I'll just show you anywhere in this light area and dark green is where you're going to see these thunderstorms pop up. So it is no surprise that we have thunderstorms all over the place. As far as that, guys, we are going to go ahead and take a look at what's going on as far as severe weather. We do around Augusta in Montana, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning. Really quick, it's 1 3/4 inch hail with 60-mile-an-hour winds. And then we're going to go ahead and move down to Nevada. And we're looking like just right north of Crescent and just to the east of Primm. And I believe that is the South McCullough Wilderness area. You guys have a severe thunderstorm warning. And we're talking 1 inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds. I do believe we have another one down in Florida, and this is around Trenton, and they've got quite a bit of storm coming in around Cedar Keys, but this one here is packing looks like 3/4 inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds here in Florida for right now. But other than that, guys, we still have that catastrophic flooding here in Texas around Azona. That'll expire, I think, about 5:15 tonight. Yes, and then of course you see all these little blue or green areas right here. These are creek and river beds in and around San Antonio, Crystal City area up here in Mason. These are creeks that are flooding right now. But other than that, guys, that is what is going on around the nation. And as you've seen here, guys, we are colored in this orange area. We do have a heat advisory starting tomorrow all the way to the 21st at 7 p.m. that night on the 21st. So we are going to go ahead and take a look at what the weather is going to be tomorrow. And I'm thinking right afternoon time, about 1 or 2, we'll have clouds start to come in the area, and that's about the same time we'll start to see these showers pop up in and around Randolph County. So expect some showers in and around the area. Whether they will hit Chester or Randolph County, I can't tell you that. These things will just pop up. But other than that, guys, our temps. We are looking at highs around 93 to 96 with our real feel temperatures around 99 to 103 in and around Randolph County with our lows around 74, 76. It looks like 78 right there and 77 in Chester, 78 in Kaskaskia. But that's going to be your lows for tomorrow. As far as that, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the SPC outlook real quick. And I'll shut that off, and here we go. For tomorrow, again, right here in St. Louis on down in the Randolph and Cape area, you guys will be in the General Thunder again. But anything in this light area, we will be from Salt Lake to Phoenix, all the way to Miami. You guys will all be in the General Thunder. We do have a marginal risk from Idaho going into Montana, but over here in the Northeast is where it's going to be a little bit more going on as far as severe weather. We do have an enhanced risk going from the northeast corner of looks like Ohio, going into Buffalo, New York, and going into New York City, covering most of Pennsylvania. And it looks like down here in around Baltimore, Washington, Philadelphia, all you guys are going to be in that enhanced risk. Anywhere from Indianapolis going down to Virginia Beach, Burlington, all the way down to Albany area in New York, you guys will be in that slight risk. And anything as far as looks like Iowa, going through portions of Illinois, all the way down to Charlotte. Anything in this green area, you guys could be in that marginal risk of severe weather, and anywhere from Vermont down to Boston, you guys will be in that marginal risk as well. As far as your tornado risk, we're talking anywhere from Cleveland, Ohio, going into New York, Syracuse area, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, Albany, Buffalo. You guys will be in that 5%. Anywhere from Fort Wayne, Indiana, all the way to Washington. Right there in Baltimore, you guys will be in that 2%. Anywhere from Hartford, Connecticut, going into the northern part of upstate New York and going through Vermont, you guys will be in that marginal risk as well. As far as that, the wind risk is going to be a bad thing tomorrow as well. And we're talking anywhere from Cleveland to Washington, Baltimore area, going to Scranton, Birmingham, Syracuse, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. You guys will be in that 45% here in this pink. And we get a little bit to the outer part with this little red area to include Detroit, Toledo, all this area right here, and going from New York, looks like to Ogdensburg, you guys will be in that 30%, and anything in the yellow, you guys will be in the 15% as far as your wind risk. And of course, we get out a little bit further in the brown, you guys will be all the way to, it looks like Charlotte, and going into South Carolina, you guys will be in that 5% wind risk. And from Boston all the way up to the, looks like Vermont and New Hampshire area, you guys will be in that 5% as well. As your hail risk, guys, anywhere from, looks like Kankakee, just north of Champaign, going through northern Indiana, Ohio, covering most of Pennsylvania and New York area, all the way down to Washington and Fredericksburg. You guys will be in that 5% hail risk. You do also have a 5% hail risk from Idaho going to Great Falls up here in Montana. Other than that, guys, that's all I got for you, and I'll see you in the morning.